And we're going to move on to this, this very simple web exploitation challenge called Unminify. So Unminify over here, I will copy the link for you. Okay, and the challenge says, I don't like scrolling down to read the code of my website, so I've squished it. As a bonus, my pages load faster. Additional challenges will be available after launching your challenge instance. Okay, so we can click on Launch Instance to start our virtual machine for this particular challenge. And then it says, browse here and find the flag. So I suggest you use your own challenge instance because the flag might be individualized. And I don't want you to copy my flag and then not be able to finish the challenge. So click there, put it in a new tab, and it says, welcome to my flag distribution website. If you're reading this, your browser has successfully received the flag. I just deliver flags, I don't know how to read them. Okay, so what can we do to, can anybody in chat tell me what we can do to start investigating this web page? Inspect the source, says GX. That's exactly it. Okay, so we can start inspecting the source. We can either right-click the page and click on View Page Source, or we can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Control-U. So I'm going to click on View the Source, and this text is really small. So we can see here that that this is a very lengthy piece of code. I'm going to make this smaller. I just deliver flags. Okay, so the key to this, I'm not actually sure what they're trying to teach inside of this particular challenge, but the flag is kind of sitting here in the code, and I guess it's trying to teach us that that we should look at code that has been that hasn't been, how do you say, compressed to find more information. So you can just find it here. It's pretty close to the end of the line. So copy this, and this is all there is to this challenge. So go back to the challenge page and paste in your flag and click on Submit. Okay. Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.